Hands across America.
Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome to Nature Walks with Hands Across America. We're out here in the outskirts of Durham College. As you can see, we have a stream here with plenty of fish going upstream for mating season. Take a walk with me. As you can see, the fish are huddled together over there. Every year, thousands, what kind of fish are these?
These are brown trout.
Every year, thousands of brown trout swim up this stream in order to make it to the top so they can mate. Here with local fishing expert, what's your name?
Chris.
Chris is gonna tell us a little more about the brown trout.
Yeah.
All right, Chris. So what are some of the habits of the brown trout?
Right about now, they're all trying to get up as far as they can so then they can spawn. The brown trout will make it back down the river.
Well, every year, millions of brown trout are attacked by bears. An average of 1 million brown trout are attacked every year by the brown bear. Attacks by brown trouts on brown bears are quite less often. Well, there you have it, folks. Nature Walks by Hands Across America. Join us next week as we'll be tackling the Alaskan frontier in search of the notorious bear fox.